everyone, my name is Luke Elijah and this is my mother Marilyn. We are both certified culinary chefs, and in this short video we'll be teaching you guys how to make delicious and tasty Korean kimchi. Korean kimchi, it's a fermented appetizing side dish that's slightly spicy and a little bit tangy sour, and what it does is it contains a lot of nutrients as well as healthy probiotics that aids in your digestive system, where it helps you to digest your food better and keeps your gastrointestinal tract healthy. Alright? And as you guys might know, more than 70% of your body's serotonin is created in the gut. Alright? And that's why gut health is paramount and very important. We should make it our priority. And what better way to make sure that we have enough probiotics by then ingesting some kimchi. You can have it in your yogurt, your kombucha, your kefir, but kimchi is just one of the better, more accessible ways of getting your daily dose of probiotics. So in this video, my mom's going to demonstrate to you a Korean recipe handed down for many generations. Right, we learned it from our Korean friends as well as our Korean neighbor who used to live in our old apartment. And she taught us her tricks and techniques and secrets, and so my mom will be imparting some of these tricks and techniques over to you right now in this video. Mom, could you take it away and show and demonstrate to everyone watching?
You always will buy a long cabbage, plenty of green leaves, long one.
Long Napa cabbage, right?
Yes.
That you can get in your local grocer or your local farmer.
We'll be putting in white carrot radish, orange carrot, turnips, green chili, red chili, garlic,
spring onion,
daikon, and ginger, and chopped big large onion. And then for our marinade, we'll be using, the main one is the salt, and we leave it for 2 hours for them to ferment. And then later we'll throw away the water and wash 2 times, dry it. Then we'll be adding the chili powder, sugar, sesame seed, light sauce. And this is the glutinous powder, 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons, make it hot under the stove, slow fire, cool it down like that. Then you add the chili, the sugar, the sesame seed and the chili powder, everything, and to marinate the long cabbage. That's what kimchi is all about. It's a pickle. Very appetizing, lovely to eat, delicious.
Alright, so what my mom did to begin with is to use salt. Any salt will do, right? You don't have to use expensive salt. Right, and what you do is you use the salt to start the first process of sprinkling it and massaging it every section of the Napa cabbage with this salt, and then you place it out in the sun. You have to put it in the sun?
No need.
Not necessarily. Okay, you put it out to ferment, right, for 2 hours, and just allow the salt to kind of like do its magic of softening. Softening the vegetables,
the water from
correct, to dehydrate the vegetable as well. And most kimchi is actually just made from this Napa cabbage, but you can have varieties. It has a daikon, turnip with garlic and ginger and carrots. Up to you, right? There's many varieties and different permutations and different recipes. All right, but the classic one is just the cabbage. Okay, so once you have make sure that it's completely covered with salt, right, every single leaf and everything, you place it out for 2 hours, and after that you rinse off the saline, rinse off the salt in water, and after that you can use that salt water to wash your sink or wash your toilet. Don't waste that water, right? Okay, and then you squeeze out that water. So this one's already has been fermenting there for more than 2 hours, more in that salt marinade, and so you're squeezing it dry, okay, and then rinsing it out again just to make sure you clear away any residual salt. All right.
Yes, Is it dry?
Well, the benefit of making your own kimchi versus something that is bought in the supermarket or store-bought is that a lot of this over-the-counter ones that you buy is filled with, too much preservatives and chemicals, so that it extends the shelf life, and you don't want to be ingesting that. And that usually tends to taste either overly sweet or either overly salty or overly spicy. And of course, not everyone can take spicy food or likes spicy food. So when you make your own, you can temper, you can tailor the amount of spice level to your palate, to your liking. Okay?
We are going to squeeze it dry after second rinse. Squeeze it dry. And make sure you cut off this part.
Yeah, you don't want to eat that really hard stem that's close to the base where the root that attaches to the root. Alright? It's not that you can't eat it, it's just really hard to digest.
Glutinous rice, we are going to add in the chili powder.
So you add in your choice of red paprika or chili powder into a mixture of glutinous rice flour that is boiled with water, so it creates this starchy, thick consistency. And then you add sugar
according to whether you want too sweet or not too sweet, it's up to you.
The sugar aids in the fermentation process. It helps to preserve.
Pinch of salt.
Right.
Pinch of salt and a little bit of light sauce if you want it to be more salty. This is vegetarian. If you want fish sauce, okay, you can, but this is vegetarian. So we're going to mix them well. And if you don't like it too hot, don't add too much chili powder, okay? Mix well.
You can put this into a food processor to blend it for you as well and mix it well, no problem. Or you can do it manually, like we are right here. Okay.
Here I'm going to massage the cabbage with all these chilies.
Lucky cabbage gets a massage. Alright.
So leaf by leaf, we are going to marinate. Yes.
So you're coating every fiber, every strand, every leaf of the cabbage with this mixture of chili powder, glutinous rice, soy sauce, salt and sugar. Alright, beautiful. Okay, I'll show everyone what it looks like. Okay, once you've done this, how long should they keep this for?
You can eat it straight away. You can keep as long as you want. But if you want fast, it's 2 days outside, and then you put back into the fridge. And if you want them to ferment longer, you just put them right in the fridge. Anytime you want to eat, you want to cook with your Korean noodles or anything, eat it with your rice.
Yes, so you store your kimchi in a glass jar and place it in the refrigerator. It's important to refrigerate it if you're not eating it instantly or immediately, because it will turn bad after a while if you do not refrigerate. So, put it out to ferment for a day or two maximum, alright? And then after that, if you're not eating it, immediately put it in the refrigerator, okay?
Now, we are going to add the rest of the ingredients into this.
Alright, what else you choose to put is up to you, it's optional. Okay? And then I like to sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed. Alright.
Yum.
It smells really good, Mom. Very, very nice. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more similar videos, and watch the other food cooking demonstration videos that we have there as well.
So I'm going to add all of it inside to marinate the rest. Wow. You can put in a plastic container if you want to keep it in the fridge, or you can use a glass bottle, doesn't matter.
So again, she's massaging and mixing in the mixture. So thank you, Mom, for teaching us and giving us this demonstration of how to make your own Korean kimchi. Right, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more future videos to come.